Morning, students. So far we have learned about theorems based on linear pair as well as vertically opposite angles. So today we'll see a few questions based on that from exercise number 7b R.S. Agarwal, question number 15 and 16. So the first question is, if two straight lines intersect each other, then prove that the ray opposite to the bisector of one of the angles so formed bisects the vertically opposite angle. So two straight lines intersecting each other. First of all, we'll draw two straight lines, and after intersecting we need to draw another ray which is opposite to the bisector of one of the angles, which is a vertically opposite angles, should bisect the other angle as well. So the diagrams looks like this. AB and CD are two rays here. Suppose OE is one ray which is bisecting angle AOC, this angle, okay? Ray opposite to OE is OF, this ray. We need to prove angle 3 is equals to angle 4 also, okay? So let's see how this can be proved. First of all, we'll be using here vertically opposite angle concept only. Okay, so angle 1 is equals to angle 2, which is already given because EO bisect angle AOC, and angle 3 is equals to angle 2. If you look closer here, EF is again a straight line which is intersecting this at the same point O. Okay, so angle 2, this region, will be equals to angle 3, this region. Okay, so angle 2 equals to angle 3. The region will be vertically opposite angle. Similarly, angle 1 will be equals to angle 4. Here also we apply the same reason, that is vertically opposite angles. Okay, now if angle 1 is equals to 4, angle 2 equals to angle 3, if taking these two angles equations as two equations, when we equate these two equations, what we get is angle 3 equals to angle 4. And angle 4 is equals to angle 1. Since angle 1 is equals to angle 2, so the right hand side is equal, so left is also equal to each other. So angle 3 equals to angle 4. That means OF bisect angle DOB. Hence, the proof is there. Now, next question is question number 16. Prove that the bisectors of two adjacent supplementary angles include a right angle. Supplementary angles are those angles whose sum, pair of angles whose sum is 180 degree. So the bisectors of two adjacent supplementary angles. A lot of hints are given here. First of all, the bisectors and two adjacent, and that two supplementary angles. It should include a right angle. The diagram of this question looks like this. See, I'll draw the diagram for you now. See, this is a line I've made, and I'll draw the adjacent angle from here. So this is two adjacent angle, A and B. Okay, and the bisectors of these two angles. Suppose this is the bisector of angle B, and this is the bisector of angle A. Bisectors divides the angle into two equal halves. So this region, from here to here, this region will be A by 2, and this small region will be B by 2, as OM and ON are the bisectors of angle COB and COA respectively. So by looking at this, can we say angle A plus B equals to 180 degree? as it is already given, adjacent supplementary angles. So angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. Dividing these two angles by half, what you'll get? Angle A plus angle B by 2 equals to 180 degree by 2. That gives you 90 degree. Now separate it. This becomes angle A by 2 plus angle B by 2 equals to 90 degree. But A by 2 and B by 2 is nothing but angle MON, this angle, right? And this is equal to nothing but 90 degree. This is the proof. And according to the figure is not given here, you can make the figure by yourself also. AOC plus COB equals to 180 degree by linear pair. It is already given, it is supplementary. And if we add all the angles together after formation, like AOC they are saying, okay? So AOC and COB. So AOE. So as per this particular answer, it is AOE plus EOC, that is A by 2, plus COD, so this is taken as D here, plus DOB equals to 180 degree. Angles forming on the straight line, that is also 180. So EO and OD are the bisectors, so we can say AOE equals to EOC and COD equals to DOB. So we can write twice of EOC and twice of COD, which is 180 degree. Taking 2 common, that becomes EOC. From here 2 common, angle EOC plus angle COD equals to 180 degree. So angle EOC plus COD equals to 180 by 2, which is 90 degree, which is given here. So what we have concluded, that the bisectors includes a right angle, that is EOD. Hence proved. You can practice more questions based on these. Till then, thank you.